Good day, my flicky friends, and welcome back to another episode with Switchblade Wade's EDC. Hope you're all good, feeling good, looking good, doing good. So today we'll be looking at my 28 centimeter or 11 inch Frank Beltrame Italian Stiletto Switchblades. On our previous video we were looking at the 11 inch swing guards. Today we're going to be looking at my only two Frank Beltrame 11 inch stiletto switchblades. Yeah, so before we begin, please like this video, scroll down, like the video. If you haven't yet, subscribe quickly. Give it 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and yeah, check out our Webstore if you haven't yet. If you want to do that now, pause the video, scroll down and click the link there. If not, join us for the whole video and then you can scroll down and check it afterwards. So yeah, these are my two beauties. This one I got a few years ago. This was my first one, and this one I got last year. I think this one I got 2021 maybe, or 2022, can't remember, but I know this one was last year. So yeah, man, hope you all doing well. If you're new here and you're old and you haven't checked out everything yet, check out our previous videos. We have these two also in previous videos, but without further ado, let's look at the first one, which is going to be the newest one. So we have a dark one, Italian Stiletto Switchblade over here. We got a little bit of a fade here. I think this might be cow's horn. Just a beautiful piece, got a nice fade there. It's not zooming in nicely like it can, but anyway, keep on rolling, baby. Look at that thick blade. It's quality, man. Sits nicely. Look at that shiny brass liners. Not zooming in so nice, but anyway, keep on rolling. You know what time it is. Nice, beautiful shaped bayonet blade. Frank Beltrame's got the best blade grinds for me. Just the best. Sits nice. Just a beautiful specimen over here. Thick ass back spring, nice quality. So you know these are like just a watered down version of the Latamas, because Frankie makes them too. I will get me a Latama in future. Those knives are beautiful, man. I've got to get me one, a vintage and a new one someday. So yeah, this is the cow-horn one, dark one. It's a beautiful knife. I was thinking of letting it go, but I was just looking also for a nice plain black, and this is it. Just a beautiful piece. Gotta keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Frank B. Italy. Blades never focus on the camera, that's what I noticed. So yeah, just a beautiful piece. I know this phone can focus better than that, but it's probably because there's a lot of shade. Not sure why she's doing this today. So I hope the quality won't be too bad on the TV, on the phone screen when you watch it back. Just manual focus while I'm at it here. But yeah, let's give this one another flickaroo and then we'll tap into the next baby. Safety works. This thing is solid, no play at all, nothing. Never on Frankie B's switchblades. Beautiful. Let's look at the next one. So the next one over here is Brazilian horn. Same model, same make, just Brazilian horn. This one I got, like I said before, this one was a birthday piece I got from Frank and Sarah. Yeah, let's have a look at this one. Safety works too. Just also another solid piece. Oh yeah, baby. Gotta keep on rolling. You know what time it is. Beautiful fade on the horn there. Same back spring, shiny liners, thick ass back spring. Yeah, they're similar to the Latamas, man. They're just the watered down version, like I said. Let's see how deep we can zoom in this horn here. That's what I'm talking about. Frank P. Italy there. Blade. Love me some switchblades. Like I say, Frank Beltrame's got the best blade shape on these stilettos. Not so happy with AJA Complins and the others. Flank's just mastered the art of making them. Even the cheaper ones, the more affordable ones, just mastered it, man. Let's take another flickeroo on this one. Can't remember if we did it before. Just beautiful, look at that. Love this one. I've got a Kris Brazilian also. Let's check out our last videos. Almost like this. Keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Gotta get the reverse shot there. Just beautiful. It's a small fade at the back. Yeah, guys, if you're still with me, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. What else? Like the video, leave a comment. Let's take a look. So these are my two 11-inch Frank Beltrame Stiletto Switchblades. Beautiful, solid, guys. Very solid. Can't go wrong with them. Get a nice thumbnail vibe going down here. So make sure you motherfuckers click on the video. Gotta take a thumbnail portrait. Otherwise the motherfucker won't fit in the whole thumbnail. Let me see. This one doesn't want to stand down like a bum. So maybe I'll just do this. Oh, fuck. Anyways, guys, that's it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, check out the other content if you haven't yet. Loads of knife content, loads of switchblades. And then don't forget to, after this video, scroll down, like, subscribe if you haven't, and then don't forget to check out our web store. Please check it out. Saying please because I want you to not miss out on the greatness that is in store for you there. Loads of switchblades, guys. So thank you for joining Switchblade Wade's EDC once again. Stay flicky, my friends. Stay flicky, my niggies. Maybe I shouldn't say that. I'm not trying. It's not the word you think it is. It's just the word that's rhyming with flicky, Nicky, flicky, my Nicky friends. Alright, guys. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.